Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a little bit of a vlog. I'm going to be calling it my Living Alone Diaries. I've seen other creators doing this, so I wanted to test it out. Just a little week in my life, basically vlogging. I don't have anything exciting planned at all. Today is a Saturday and I have a weird schedule because I work 2 days a week. So like that's like my weekend, I guess I should say. And then the other days, it's whatever. So Saturday's like the start of my week of not working. And then I also do freelance social media, so I have that. But like an in-person job is Thursdays and Fridays. So for Saturdays, I tend to try to just stay at home or do little things, you know, or friends with family. I don't have any plans today, so I'm going to run some errands. I need to go to Walmart to get a car wash, go to the library, and maybe stop by TJ Maxx. And I need to see if the Five Below is open or not yet. If it is, I want to go there and get like a pillow and just see. I haven't perused around Five Below in a while, so yes, that is my plans for today right now and like during the day. I need to edit my vlog for reading books from the library, and then I need to start filming 2 other videos. I'm going to be in the middle of filming 3 videos this week. Let's see if I can do it. But I have this one, a reset video, and then a reading vlog, so wish me luck. So today I want to get some reading done and start the reset video, the monthly reset video. So let's go run my errands. Can we talk about how Five Below is like no longer Five Below? Like I feel like half that stuff in there was at least $7, $10, $20, whatever. Like that's crazy. It's now like 3 in the afternoon. I've ate, put windshield wiper fluid in my car, and now my mom just called me. She has my niece this weekend, and she asked if I would watch her for a little bit. So I'm gonna go over there and watch her and just chill with her because I love her so much. So yes, I'm waiting for my washer to finish though, so then I can go. So it's like 7:30 and I just got home from dinner with my family, and now for the rest of the night I should edit my library vlog, but I don't know. I'm just procrastinating for some reason. I don't know what it is. So I should probably do that. Because I wanted to do, I literally was about to start that. Then when my mom called me and asked me to come watch my niece. So yeah, that didn't really work out. But yeah, otherwise I'd probably just watch YouTube and read. So I probably should edit. Because tomorrow I have church, and then I have a meeting at my church. And then I want to do my monthly reset tomorrow because it's March 1st. So yeah, I should edit. It shouldn't take me too long, I don't think. So it is the next morning and I am about to go to church. So I have church and then a meeting at my church, and then I want to come home and do like a little monthly reset, which I am filming, so I won't put that in this, it'll be in my other video. But yeah, cleaning and other like monthly things I need to do. So I will talk to you guys after church. Okay, so it is now just about 5 p.m. and I haven't vlogged much today because I went to church, had the meeting at church, and then I came home and was filming my reset video. And then I knew this was gonna happen because it's super rainy and gloomy, and I hit a slump. And I tried to sleep, but my mind wouldn't shut off, so I wasn't able to take a nap. Because Sundays I'll allow myself, like, okay, you can take a nap, you know, rest day. So I don't think I'm gonna make a latte. It seems a little late for that, but I think I'm gonna start dinner. Or should I make a latte? No, I shouldn't. I should not. I try to only drink one caffeine drink a day. So I think for dinner I'm going to make, it's like a sushi bowl, like a poke bowl, I guess, but so basic. It is literally just the meat, or just the rice and crab meat and spicy mayo. I don't have any avocados or cucumbers to add to it. So that's literally what I do. It's like a go-to easy meal for me. I love the taste, although last time I got the crab, it tastes a little too seafoody. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna watch YouTube on my iPad while I cook. Now the next morning. It is Monday. Well, I guess it's not morning. Technically, I guess it is. It's like 11. But today I did my morning routine with my Bible, and then I actually made cinnamon rolls. I had been craving them for a while, so I made those. And then I just like planned my week, what I need to get done, what days I need to do it, and all of that. Planned my content for the week for TikTok. And now I'm getting ready to go run some errands. So doing that, I say errands. The only thing I need to pick up is surface cleaner so I can finish cleaning today. But yeah, I want to go to like Hobby Lobby because their yarn is on sale this week, and then I want to go to Marshall's because they saw something. I need to get my boyfriend a gift, and last week they had some stuff that I thought he might like, but I didn't buy it. So I want to see if they have it this week. I need to go to Target to get the surface cleaner. They do have some like bottoms that I really like linen skirts and linen pants that I think would be cute for spring and summer, specifically going to Sweden for my Sweden trip. So maybe I'll pick one of those up. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. And then come back and clean, and I forget what else I have to do on my to-do list. Do some work for a new client. Yeah, I need to do that. So I just got home from having dinner with my parents. We had some spaghetti and I chatted with them for a little bit. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog eating. But yeah, so I think for the rest of the evening, I'm just gonna settle in and maybe read a little bit, watch some YouTube. So, but I want to read because I'm kind of behind on my current reading vlog, which is reading classics. Okay, so it is now the next day. It is Tuesday, and I had a chill morning. Sorry, my dog's just staring at me through the door. I had a chill morning, and then I had a job interview. Hopefully I got it, but I just got home from that and I need an Alani. I don't know what's been going on, but the past like couple days, I don't know if it's the gloomy weather or what, but I have been like so tired, and I don't normally drink an energy drink this late, but I'm struggling. So I have quite a bit I need to do today. Well, I need to like edit a video. Oh, that's good. I was scared I wasn't gonna like this. Okay. Tastes like candy. I need to edit a video, design some stuff, and yeah, that's what I need to do. But a couple of those things will be pretty time consuming, so I don't know. I need to eat lunch too. It's almost 2 and I haven't ate lunch, so I need to figure out what I'm doing for that. And I don't know why I'm so tired, but first things first, I want to get into comfy clothes. So today is Wednesday and the last day of this vlog. I am going to drive to my sister's, drop my dog off, then get my nails done, and then hang out for the rest of the day. So I will show you my nails when I'm done. I might go to Barnes & Noble, depending on how much time I have after my appointment, to do some work. But we will see. It's a few days later, but I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Thank you guys for spending the week with me. It was a very boring week, but that's just the reality of my life. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you know when I upload next, and have a good day.